everyone, today we are back on RC Fun and Games to unbox another RC car. This is a 6x6, if I'm not mistaken. It's made by FMS and it's the Atlas. Okay, and it's around the same scale as an SEX24. So I bought it to go part with my town that I built out the back of the RC Fun and Games studio. So it's a little bit of a testing ground and a bit of a town for RC cars. Anyway, let me open this box and show you guys what comes inside. Oh, you guys have the first look. Now, hey, look at that, eh? Guys, I must say, pretty cool. Let me show you guys around the box. Yeah, and then the sides, it doesn't have anything. Okay, now let's get. I must say, the way it comes packaged, guys, is epic. Look at that, eh? Talk about nice packaging. I love this. I'm definitely gonna get another one of these so I can keep them inside my car. So when I go out, I've always got an RC car in my car, so I can always play. Now let's get in here. Whoa, pretty tight box. Here we go. Really nice case. And I must say, the first look I'm getting, wow. Let's just see. So we get our instruction manual. I see it comes up with all the parts blown up, so that's pretty cool. So you get to see everything. A pin for the ECU, I'm assuming. A wheel spanner, screwdriver, and an extra set of springs for the suspension. So that's pretty cool. You can play around with that. Now, let's see what actually comes in here. So let's get this little guy out. Wow. Wow guys, really must say, pretty cool, and the tires are nice and soft. I would say they even feel softer than the SEX tires. Yeah. There we are. Now let's get this controller out of here, guys. Oh wow. That's pretty cool. Okay, batteries go in here. So, we'll get some batteries in there in a second, and then that just slides together. Yeah. Okay, we get the charger as well. This is why I say it's a perfect package to keep inside the car, as you can just charge it and then run wherever you are. So let's just say you've gone to the park with the kids or gone down to the beach and you get bored, you can just go and charge this guy up and have a go. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed. And guys, this casing is pretty amazing. Let's just put that to the side. Now let's have a look at this little guy. He's got a nice little bit of weight to him. This construction on the back, guys, is amazing. I will admit that does look really cool. Wow, I really am impressed. Have a look underneath, guys, the way they set it up. So 4-link setup on the back, all on ball joints, front and rear. Ball joints all the way through here as well, guys. Over here I noticed they don't have any ball joints, but the same as an SEX24 really. Everything else looks pretty well built to me. It all moves around very nicely. Let's look underneath the cab and let's see what we get. The extra spare wheel. Functional. We get this little toolbox in the back here, guys. Yeah, the only thing I can say about it doesn't pivot open. It's got like just there, you see, so you can take the lid off and you can put something in there, maybe carry an extra battery. You put this back in here. Wow, I must say. Okay, now let's get underneath this hood or cabin. I believe. Wow, the magnets are pretty strong. There you are. I don't know if you guys can see in there. Wow, nice little setup. So it's running, looks like a bit of a bigger motor than the original SEX. Looks more like the motors I've replaced for my SEXs. It's the same size as this, so it's a little bit bigger. We get this little battery pack. What's hidden away in here? Let me see if I can get him out quickly. Yeah, we got him. Wow, that is really a tiny battery pack. Okay, it is a 7.4 volt, 600 milliamp lithium ion. So yeah, we'll definitely get that on charge. I'll give this a little test run, guys. So I'm not going to blab anymore about this thing. I'm going to go get some batteries in here and I'm gonna go and give this thing a little test run on our RC Town course. Okay guys? Hey guys, thanks you once again for joining me on another unboxing on RC Fun&Games, guys. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you guys soon. Okay? Have a good week, everyone.